In front of me is ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to click on click this plus at the bottom left corner and tap on Files to add an audio one. Hit Audio at the top, tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After finding your audio file, click on it to attach it. If you wish to add a video one, select Gallery section instead. Scroll to look for your video and click on it to add it. If you can't find it, select Folders and look for it the same way you would an audio file. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!